What's the meaning of cable? Cable. Cable.
Cable. Cable. Cable can have several meanings, but most commonly, it refers to a heavy, thick, and sturdy rope or wire that is used to support or anchor structures or equipment. Cables are commonly used in the construction of bridges, buildings, and suspension systems. They can also be used for transmitting electricity or data signals over long distances. The strength and durability of cables make them essential components in many industries, including transportation, telecommunications, and energy. Overall, cables play a crucial role in supporting and connecting various structures and systems, making them an indispensable part of modern infrastructure.